How to fix stick drift PS5. Stick drift on a PS5 DualSense controller is a common issue where the analog stick registers movement even when it's not being touched. Here are some steps you can try to fix it. 1. Clean the analog stick. Materials needed: cotton swabs and isopropyl alcohol, 90% or higher recommended. Steps: power off your PS5 controller. Dip a cotton swab in a small amount of isopropyl alcohol. Gently push the analog stick to one side to expose the area under it. Use the cotton swab to clean around the base of the analog stick. Move the stick in a circular motion while cleaning. Let it dry for a few minutes before turning the controller back on. 2. Recalibrate the controller in the settings. Turn on your PS5 and go to Settings, Accessories, Controller, General. Look for options to adjust stick sensitivity or recalibrate if available. 3. Reset the controller. Use a pin to press the reset button on the back of the controller, a small hole. Hold it down for about 5 seconds, then reconnect the controller to the PS5 using a USB cable. 4. Check for firmware updates. Outdated firmware may cause issues, so connect your controller to the PS5 with a USB cable. Go to Settings, System Software Update, and Settings to ensure the latest updates are installed. 5. Consider opening the controller, Advanced. If you're comfortable with electronics, you can open the controller to clean it more thoroughly. This may void your warranty, so only proceed if you're confident and aware of the risk. 6. Contact Sony support. If the controller is under warranty, reach out to Sony for a repair or replacement. DualSense controllers have a 1-year warranty in many regions. Following these steps should help reduce or eliminate stick drift, but if the issue persists, a replacement might be necessary.